Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by closing the calculator and restarting the phone to clear the immediate hang. First, force quit calculator or swipe it away. This frees memory. Once done, perform a soft restart of your iPhone. Press the volume and side buttons or use device-specific steps so background processes reset. Make sure to glance at Settings General Software Update. Running the latest iOS prevents known calculator bugs. These quick actions often restore normal behavior without losing data and prepare you for targeted fixes. You now apply deeper fixes that address persistent issues. Start by resetting relevant settings, keyboard, layout, and any accessibility toggles that can interfere with button input. If calculator is acting odd due to restrictions, check screen time and allow the app. Next, delete and reinstall calculator if your iOS allows that. This replaces corrupted app data. But first, back up to iCloud or your computer so you can restore preferences. These steps remove misconfigurations that survive a simple restart and restore You finish by methodically verifying functionality. Run simple sums, test scientific mode and landscape, and paste numbers from clipboard to check input handling. If issues persist, perform a full settings erase or restore from backup, settings general transfer, or reset erase content and settings only after backing up. If calculator still misbehaves, consider safe mode-like diagnostics by removing recent apps that overlay the screen or check accessibility services. One key troubleshooting tip: contact Apple support if hardware gestures or sensors are failing, since that can mimic calculator faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.